Some places don't feel significant at first, but the ideas that began here didn't stay here. This was the home of Susan B. Anthony, a place where conversations turned into action, where persistence began to take shape. Above the main rooms of the house, in the attic, this is where suffrage meetings were held, where ideas were shared, debated, and strengthened, not in large halls, but in smaller spaces like this. Step by step, building something that didn't yet exist. In the late 1800s, she became one of the most recognized voices in the fight for women's right to vote, traveling, speaking, organizing, continuing forward even when progress felt distant. In 1872, she cast a vote in a presidential election, an act that led to her arrest. Here, in this room, she was taken into custody, not for violence, not for disruption, but for voting, a single act that challenged the system as it existed. What was built upstairs was tested here. But it didn't end with the arrest. The work moved outward, into cities, into voices, into a movement that would outlast her. And eventually the path leads here. At Mount Hope Cemetery, her name is carved into stone, a place people still come to visit, to remember, and to recognize what continued beyond her lifetime. She didn't live to see women gain the right to vote. The 19th Amendment was passed 14 years after her death, but the work she carried forward didn't end with her. Some steps begin quietly in homes like these and continue far beyond them. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.